This 2021 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 6250 is a Class C RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2021 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 6250 is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.